This video will walk you through each stage of the process of obtaining a Georgia drone pilot license and working as a drone pilot in the state. The first step to obtain a drone pilot license in Georgia, you must first ascertain your eligibility. To obtain a Georgia drone pilot license, the same requirements apply as in the rest of the country. The fact is, drones are frequently seen as fun toys by many individuals. You can't, though, start flying one of them right away. There is, in fact, a minimum age restriction. Additionally, the restrictions for commercial use are significantly more strict. You must be at least 16 years old and in good enough physical condition to fly without any restrictions. Additionally, a drone pilot needs to be fluent in both written and spoken English. Recreational drone use is much different from commercial drone use. For recreational flying, a safety test called the Trust Exam is required. This is an FAA-required exam. If you want to make money as a drone pilot in Georgia and fly commercially, there is more you need to do. The next step to become a commercial drone pilot in Georgia is that you must enroll in a remote pilot certificate training course. This instruction is essential to assist you in passing the Part 107 exam, which you must pass in order to obtain a drone license in Georgia. There are just a few excellent FAA-approved courses available. The top FAA-approved training program is listed in the description below this video. Everything you need to pass the Part 107 test is covered in this course. Obtaining your FTN from IACRA is the next step in the process to become a drone pilot in Georgia. You cannot sign up for the Part 107 FAA exam without a Federal Tracking Number, FTN. You can get this FTN using IACRA or Integrated Airman Certificate and Rating application. You won't have any trouble making an account if you meet the qualifying requirements. Once you've finished, you'll get your FTN, which will let you sign up for tests and submit job applications. Here's how to sign up for an FTN at IACRA. Visit the IACRA homepage, where the login is located in the top right corner. Next to this, click the Register link. To begin a new certificate, you must select the applicant role. Additionally, you must accept the TOS or Terms of Service. Then you should adhere to these instructions to create a user profile and complete the forms. Since you are applying for a new certificate, you can omit the information on your current certificate. Enter your full legal name. This name must match the one you used on your test, so make sure they match. Any suffixes are included in this. Use your email address so that you can receive essential notifications, such as your FTN, after this process is complete. In this section, you can create your login and password. Save this in a location where you can access it quickly. Hit the Register button to complete. The following screen will now display your FTN. You should save this information, but it will also be delivered to the email address you registered. You must show your FTN whenever a certifying officer demands it for job applications. You will need to maintain your FTN on hand for a range of circumstances. The next step to get a drone pilot license in Georgia is that you must next pass the Part 107 exam. It must be scheduled at a testing facility that has been approved. Here is all the information you need to know about how to take the test. There are 60 multiple-choice questions in this test. A, B, or C will always be your choices. The difficulty level of the test does not alter depending on how you answer, unlike the SAT. The questions stand alone from one another. There will probably be pictures for any questions involving charts and maps of airspace. You must have excellent verbal and written English communication abilities and finish the exam in 2 hours. For the test, you will need to pay a fee which may change from time to time. Additionally, every 24 months your license must be renewed. You must receive a 70% passing grade, which equals 42 correct answers out of 60. You have 2 weeks to retest if you don't pass. Once you learn that you passed the exam, you must be aware of the following. The FAA has the right to demand inspection and testing of any drone or small unmanned aircraft at any time. You'll likely also need to present any registration paperwork. It is required to report accidents that cause $500 or more in damage within 10 days. You are responsible for performing your own pre-flight check and inspecting your control station prior to a flight. These are the steps to become a drone pilot in Georgia and to get your Georgia drone pilot license. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit us at dronePilotSchooler.com.